Hi guys, hope you are doing well and you are watching Hyper IT Tech channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you that how we can install the Telnet so that you can configure, you can take login to your switch, Cisco switch, and let's say if you want to Telnet your server or your machine or your router, your PF Sense, whatever you want, so you can configure it. So in this video, we will learn about it, that how we can Telnet. Uh, Install Telnet into the Windows 10 or 11 machine. So let's say we are going to type command prompt, and let's say I'm going to telnet 192.168.0 no 6 6.1. So you can see that Telnet is not recognized as an internal operation or external command. So the solution is very simple, that Telnet is basically built-in feature of Windows 10 or 11. Just you need to enable it. And how you can do that, you have to go inside the control panel, and once you click onto the control panel, then you have to click onto the programs. Then you have to click onto the programs and features. Then you have to click onto the turn Windows features on or off. So you have to click on that. It will take a while, and finally you have option of you have to find Telnet, where it is. See, Telnet client. So you have to click on that. Once you click it, simply press OK. Then it will take a little while and it will be installed automatically, and it's done. Now you have to close it, and now if you again try onto the Telnet 6.1, so you can see that it is going for the connecting. So thank you so much for watching this video, and like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.